Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So happy Saturday, and we are going to do our game binder, and we have $100 in prop money. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. No, that's not right. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. No, that's 90. Oh my god, seriously? 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. There we go. 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 100. It's like, I know, I counted that like 5 times to make sure I had 100. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this challenge here is from my shop, and it is the challenge that I submitted for Beijing Girl Budget's Community Savings Challenge. So let's try and get some stuff out the way here. All right. So this is like a little game board, and you get 12 cards to play with, an IOU card. And we're just going to make our way around the board to get to these little icons so we can scratch off and save some extra money. So I'm going to go ahead and use my D4 just because I feel like that would be good. So we did leave off on this one, right? Yes, okay. So how I'm doing it is, oh, I did cross it off. I'm doing one cross off, and then I'm going to save on each icon two times. And when it gets the complete X, then we will call it good. So I have my little, I tried these little 3D printed little ducks. So we're going to go 2 spaces, 1 and 2. So that's $3. And we'll just do it that way. Yeah, so, and then 1 and 2. Okay, so we have the little crown. There we go. And we're going to scratch one off and see what we save. My game is a 1 through 15 denominations. So it's a little spicy, but not as bad as the 1 through 25. So we have $11, and we'll go, I think we'll go one more time. I can't really see that, but we'll try to get to the finish. All right, and $1. That's what I'm trying to at least get around the board one time, and then we'll call it good. 2, 1 and 2. Okay, we got the witch hat. Which hat is it? Is it this one? Yeah. Let's go with this one. 11 again. All right, and then we'll just condense these when I'm done. And I think all right, we'll call that done because I'm pretty sure I have a paperclip in here of where we needed to start off from last time, and I totally spaced that out. But let's go ahead and condense these, and then we'll go ahead and look at it. We left off, and we'll move our little marker. We left off there. So that's basically around the board one time. So today we are going to bring in 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 26. Swap that out for 20. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. So then all together, so far, we have saved 20, 40, 60, 65, 67, 69. Uh-oh. All right, hold on. Start that over. 24, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 72, 74, and 75. All right. And we will cash condense those later. Let me see. I think I might have had a paper clip. Okay, no, I did not. All right, good. I was worried that I might have Up there. All right, so this one is the monthly group play for Divine Savings Co. And we ended with an orange marker. So we're just gonna go ahead and one. So we got $1. Let me get my little ducky back out. And this one I have as still in cash, so I will swap the prop money out for real cash when we are done for today. So that is 2. I just kept this one cash because I knew we were going to finish it soon. So, and I'm not sure where I want it to go just yet. And then 1, 2, and 3, and the candies are $3. Awesome. And I will have my bonus video of how much we have finished in savings challenges for October, so I can't wait for you guys to see that. All right, and then we have 4. It was way more than I ever imagined possible, so I'm really excited for that. So 1 and 2, and we have another $1. Oh, come on, man, let's try 2. All right, let's go one more time. Let's see where we can get 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is 1. All right, and we will stop there for today so we can try to get some other items done in here, and that was a 1. So today we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 coming in to Divine Savings Co.'s group play. And all together we have saved 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, and 47. That's awesome. And we have a couple more spaces to go. I will definitely finish that up next week for sure. Oh, fall bingo. Let's get that out. All right, I found it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And this is fall bingo from Anna Banana Budget. And we're going to go ahead and do this. I think we're going to do it through November. Unless she comes out with another one, which I don't know, but. All right, and let's get started. So how did everybody, let's see. How was everybody's Halloween? I took the girls trick-or-treating through the neighborhood, and then we handed out some candy. Did not get rid of as much candy as I wanted to. So I guess I'm gonna have to bring some into work. All right, well, we already got a bingo, so that is $2, $6, $7, and $8. Awesome. And yes, I'm so excited that November is finally here. It is my birthday month and my 5-year-old's birthday month as well. So I am definitely, my birthday is on the 29th, so it will coincide with Black Friday. So I am going to do a sale, and I am going to do some tiered freebies, but I haven't quite nailed those down yet. So stay tuned for that. But I know I'm going to have a special flash sale on the actual day of my birthday that is going to be higher than the regular week-long sale that I'm going to have. So once it gets a little bit closer and I nail down all the details, I will, of course, announce it. I'll announce it on here. I'll announce it on my coffee shop. Dang, we got those fairly quickly. So we got $4, $6, $7, and $8 again. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and stop there. So that way we can try to get some more of this binder done. So let's take that 10. 3, 4, and 5. We'll take the 5. So we put in $16 today. So now altogether we have, and I got new prop money. It was a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely higher quality. So I am going to swap all of the other prop money out for that. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, and 42. Okay, we'll put that back. So that's awesome. We got 42. I think that was like from 2 or 3 weeks of doing that. We'll put this off to the side because I am going to play my Harry Potter game today. So we are going to play our crystal hunt. I have a couple of different, two different options on this. This one's Santa crystal hunt, or you could just have it the regular old crystal hunt. So it comes with your little crystals, and let me get out my red and green. Where is she? Okay. Oh, and I need black just in case we get a coal. So we're gonna pull out. We're not gonna look. We're gonna pull out 3. We're gonna do it at least twice. So we're gonna pull out 3 more. All right. Well, we ended up pulling out that. So we're gonna go with. Oh my goodness. So our first set is black, green, and then clear. And then we have green, green, and red. And then green, green, and clear. So we'll go ahead and add all of those up. So our black, our lump of coal, is $10. Each green is 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then clear is 3. So plus 6. And then red is 1. So $27. And this will definitely save us a good chunk of money. So, oh, I did not calculate that at all. So this is going to be, if I would have done this the first time, 10, that's 12. And then 2, 4, 5. And then 2, 4, 7. All right, perfect. Did I do that correctly? I don't know. All right, so all together in here now we have all right, we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42, 44, 45, and 46. And we are almost a third of the way done with this one, so that one is going to be a big saver. Heck yes. All right, so we're going to do our magical mischief. We didn't do this one last time, so let me get a piece of paper. Oh, let me see, where are my sticky notes at? When your desk and everything is a mess, you don't know where anything is at. Because I know the ladies that did this collab, they already finished theirs, but I didn't get that far. So we're going to start there. We're going to roll, we'll do just a D4 again. In our house is, I chose Slytherin, I do believe. So week 2, we're going to go with 5 rolls because that is what they did. So that's how I'm going to do it. But I'm going to play each house on its own. So that way I can save even more money. So this is going to be a little bit longer challenge, but that's okay. So we have 1, 2, and 3. All right, mini quest plus 1 house point. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to have 1 house point. So mini quests are these cards here. And I think that's here, or that's the, okay. So encounter Voldemort, save $5 or lose 1 house point. I'm going to save $5. So we'll go with $5. And then I'm just going to, instead of crossing them off, I'm just going to put a little boop. So that way I know this round we've already hit that one. So that way I don't have to reprint it. So that's turn 1. This will be turn 2. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So that's $2. Oh, and I did not save my 5. All right. And then that's 2. 1. So mini quest plus 1 house point. And that's our 3rd turn. All right, so he says, you find Hagrid with new magical creature, save $1 or lose 1 house point. Well, we're going to save $1 because we don't want to lose no house points because we want to see at the end who has the most. All right, and 1, so that's $3. All right, we have 1 more turn. Let me put a little 3. 1, 2, and 3, and $1. Awesome. So that is it. So we have, we get that. We didn't get any of the Quidditch matches. All right, so today we're putting in $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, and $12. So we got $12 and 2 house points. So far we have 4 house points. So that's good, good. And we have saved. I'm running out of money and I don't like it, but that's okay. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have $19 in here altogether. Yeah, so I might not play this one every week, but we'll see. Oops. All right. Oh, I forgot to put those in there. I think we are done with our dice tower for now. I am going to have this binder in when we do our reallocation. So yes, we'll be able to get quite a bit done. All right, so this one is going to be our Spooky Fall matching game from Boss Bay Budgets. This is free with a membership, but then it just costs a couple of dollars. And I know it came with instructions, but I don't quite recall what those were. It says saves 40, and each one is 40 to 41. So I'm not sure. I don't quite remember what her instructions were, but we're gonna save. There's a lot of cards here, so I'm not sure. I probably should have done half at a time. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. All right, I will figure this out and we'll cut back to it. Okay, actually, I only have 2 left that don't have matches. So if we get those 2, we will put them back. So let's see, how much do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $7. So we can probably do, we'll see, 1 or 2. All right, so we did not get a match. So we can save $1 or we cannot save $1. Since I only have $7, I'm not going to save 7. Okay, so this one is in here, so we'll take that one out. Okay, and then let's go here. Nope. I think that one was here, right? Yes, okay. So we can save $4 or we can save 8, right? I think I'm gonna do $4, and I'm just gonna cross off $4 because I'm gonna save both. Maybe. We'll see. We'll just take this one out for now because obviously I know where those are at. Let's see. I know we only have $3. Let's see. Okay. All right, that's $3. Oh, awesome. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and just cross off one of those 3s. I think you only need to save 3, but obviously you do it how you want to do it. So I'm definitely going to save more than $40 for sure. But that is all good for me because I like saving the most. And that is as far as we made it today. But like I said, this binder will be in a reallocation video, so we'll have extra money to put into this one. Let me put a paper clip here so we know that this is where we need to start when we do come back to this binder. All right, and that is it for today. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.